Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 12 Smart Chart. In my previous video, we have studied the flow tree chart of our family, which was on page number 167. Okay, the tree family chart of Madhav's family. Now we will start with page number 168. Now let's see what is given in the page number 168. Here is a growth chart of a plant. Growth chart of a plant. Here a table is given where the data is given to us. Where the data is given to us. Here the day are mentioned and here length of the plant in centimeter is mentioned to us. Now let's see what is the information given to us. Amit sowed a few seeds of moong dal. Amit sowed a few seeds of moong dal in the ground. The height of the plant grew to 1.4 centimeter in the first 4 days. The height of the plant grew 1.4 centimeter in the first 4 days. Day 0, the length of the plant was 0. From 0 to 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the 4th day, the information got to us, the data given to us is the plant's height was 1.4 centimeter. What was the height of the plant? 1.4 centimeter. After that, it started growing faster. Amit measured the height of the plant after every 4 days. Amit started measuring the height of the plant and put a dot on the chart. Here is a chart, a graph paper, a chart, such type of chart where the dots are put and we are supposed to track a line on that. Such type of chart are called as line graphs. They are called as line graph. This is the graph paper. They are the two axes of the graph paper, x-axis and y-axis. Here the measurement is given in centimeter, isn't it? Length of the plant in centimeter, and here the information of the days. In every day what was the length we can see here in this chart. Now let's do further. So here he has marked on 0 days the length of the plant was 0. On 4th day the length of the plant was 1.4. See, you can see here this is centimeter. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. So this is 1.4 where the mark is done. Dot on the chart. For example, if you look at the dot marked on the 4th day, you can see on the left side scale that it is 1.4 centimeter height, as I showed you. Now look at the height of each dot in centimeter and check from the table if he has now see, fourth day it was 1.4 as it is marked here. Okay, now 8th day it was 5.3. The 8th day it was 5.3. Here it was 5.3. If we can join this, we can join the points. Okay, 5.3. You can see the rise of the growth of the plant. You can see the rise in centimeter, isn't it? Now 8th day was 5.3. 12th day it was 9.5. On the 12th day it was 9.5. 8th day was 5.3. You can see here 5.1, 2, 3, 5.3. On 12th day it is 9.5. So on the 12th day, the day 12, it is 9.5. Here is 9.1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 9.5. Let's again join this. (9.5). Next, 16th day it is 10.2. The 16th day it is 10.2. Day 16, 10.2. 1 and 2. It is 10.2 on 16th day. On 16th day it is 10.2. Now next, on 20th day it is 10.9. On 20th day it is 10.9, isn't it? 20th day 10.9. Here it is 10.9. Now let's see so this is the growth of the plant. First day is this much, from 1 to 4 day this much, 4 to 8 here, 8 to 12 it was like this much height. Then in 12 to 16 the height was not more, and 16 to 20 again the height was not so much of more. So the plant, we can see the maximum growth of the plant was from 4th day to 12th day. From 4th day to 12th day the growth of the plant was maximum. So by using this chart we can easily see what was the growth. Instead of looking here the data, by analyzing the data we take little bit time to see that on which days the growth was maximum. But here by looking at the chart we can easily analyze that which days the growth was the maximum of the plant, isn't it? So we are using the chart to show the data, the graphs to show the data. The information given to us we can show by the help of the charts. Now let's find out the growth chart. Find out from the growth chart. Between which days did the length of the plant change the most? Length of the plant changed the most. Between which days the length of the plant changed the most? In which days did the length of the plant change the most? We can see here it was 1.4 to 5.3. And here it was from 5.3 we can see that if in between which days did the length of the plant change the most. The length of the plant changed the most from 8 to 12. You can see here from 4th day to 4th to 8 the plant height was this much, rise in the height was this much, and from 8 to 12 the rise is little more, isn't it? So if you want to check, you can subtract 1.4 from 5.3. 1.4 from 5.3, the answer will be something 3.9. And if you subtract 5.3 from 9.5, we will get 4.2. So which one is greater? The 4.2 is greater. So we can see that here the answer, between which days did the length of the plant change the most? The answer is 8 and 12. What could be length of this plant on the 14th day? Guess what would be the length of the plant on the 14th day? Now see, in the 12th day, 12th and 16th, the day of 12th and 16th, if we see the day of 12 and 16, 13, 14, this is the line of the 14th day. Now let's see where is the plant. The 14th day here, isn't it? Here little bit below the 10, so it is something 9.9. we can see it is 9.9. here it is given 9.9. so what will be the length of the 14th day? So it is 9.9 centimeter. Understood, students? We are supposed to see the 14th day, where the 14th day is meeting this line, the growth chart of the line of the plant. There you are supposed to put a point, and then you can see about here from the centimeter scale that what was the length. It is 9.9. okay. Next, will the plant keep growing all the time? What will be its length on 100th day? Make a guess, because see, we cannot make a accurate guess, as here it is there that plant height increase. Sometimes it is increasing very much, and sometimes it is increasing in a very slow rate. That 20, if we can say at 20 days the plant height was something 11 centimeter. If we see 11 centimeter, so on 100 day means 25 is 100, so 5 times. So if we want to guess, it would be a similar rate. It will be, we will guess the similar rate, then it would be something 55 centimeter. The hand will be 55 centimeter, isn't it? This was only a guess. Understood, students? So here we have completed over this lesson, the smart chart. You are supposed to do this exercise in the textbook only. Okay, students?